Trying to lead a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to be complicated. You can achieve your health and fitness goals by making very small but powerful changes in your daily life. Tiny habits are almost effortless, but with consistency, they can grow into huge milestones. In this video, we'll discuss 9 hacks for a healthy lifestyle. Making these simple changes will help you achieve amazing health, fitness, and well-being. Number 1. Start with a morning routine that makes you happy. Getting off to the right start every day is the first step to a healthy lifestyle. An effective morning routine will put you in a much better mindset, so you'll feel more confident and make healthier decisions too. Your new morning routine doesn't have to be too long. Dedicating half an hour to yourself will give you the boost you need to be healthy and productive. But you might be wondering, what exactly should you do? The answer is simple. Just pick an activity that makes you feel centered and gives you energy. The options are endless. Mindfully drink coffee, practice some yoga, do some self-care, write, plan the day, or work on any of your goals. Don't be afraid to experiment with a few of these and see how you feel. But one thing for sure, a good morning routine will set you up for the healthy lifestyle you want. Number 2. Walk and take the stairs. If you are quite new to the world of fitness, you don't need to become a gym bunny overnight. A few tiny habits can help you burn a lot of calories without even noticing. So, instead of going on a daily 30-minute run, you can walk more whenever you have the option. And rather than going to that exhausting high-intensity class, you can skip the elevator ride and take the stairs. These small hacks can be a lot more effective than big resolutions because it's easier to stay consistent with them. Walking and taking the stairs are incredibly easy to get started, and they are also full of benefits. They'll help you burn a lot of calories, improve your cardiovascular health, get more energy, and be in a much better mood. If you've got a fitness tracker, you can make these activities more fun by setting goals and improving over time. Number 3. Plan your meals. It's always a good idea to plan what you're going to eat. Without a plan, you risk setting yourself up for failure and being inconsistent. In fact, if you have to make a decision on the spot, you're more likely to be impulsive and less disciplined. That means you'll be tempted to overeat or choose junk food. That's not a good recipe for a healthy lifestyle. Instead, be prepared by planning your meals and you'll make better decisions. You'll have a grocery list, so you'll get plenty of healthy and nutritious foods. And if you want to take things a step further, you can even cook your meals in batches so you'll be eating healthy and save time too. When hunger strikes, it'll be easier to avoid takeouts and junk food, so you'll stay consistent with your eating plan. Both your health and wallet will thank you. Number 4. Drink more water. You've probably heard this a million times, but it's still one of the most underrated pieces of health and fitness advice out there. We all know we should drink more water, but when life gets busy, we get distracted and forget. Unfortunately, being dehydrated is not great if you want to lead a healthy lifestyle. Besides, water has too many benefits to ignore. Your entire body just can't function without it. Drinking water also works as an appetite suppressant, which is so helpful if you're trying to be healthier. By drinking more water, you'll feel better and have more energy. If you struggle to drink as much water as you should, get yourself a big bottle of water and keep it with you. It'll work as a reminder and prompt you to keep drinking throughout the day. If you want to make water taste better, you can add fruit, mint, or ice cubes. However you need to do it, take the steps to make sure that H2O becomes your new best friend. Number 5. Get enough sleep. One of the best hacks for a healthy lifestyle is getting good quality sleep. If you're getting less than 7 hours of sleep a day, it's time to rethink your habits. To maintain optimum health, most people need between 7 and 9 hours of sleep every single night. Your body and mind need that daily dose of rest to re-energize and keep functioning well. If you struggle to fall asleep, you can try a relaxing bedtime routine. Go to bed at the same time every night. Listen to a guided relaxation audio. Avoid blue lights and make sure that the temperature in the room is comfortable. Stick with it for a while, and in no time, you'll see that your bedtime routine can help you settle down for the night. Improving your sleep is one of the best ways to improve your overall health. Number 6. Limit alcohol intake. Did you know that alcohol alone is responsible for 3 million deaths and countless illnesses worldwide each year? But before you get too scared, there's nothing wrong with drinking in moderation. Enjoying a couple of drinks with your friends won't kill you. But abusing alcohol on a regular basis will really get in the way of your healthy lifestyle goals. In fact, too much alcohol will make you gain weight and cause countless illnesses like high blood pressure, heart disease, liver disease, and cancer. If you are serious about your health and fitness goals, Think about your alcohol consumption and work on a plan to cut down your drinking. You'll reduce the risk of many illnesses, feel more energetic, and have a much better mood. That's a great shortcut to a healthy lifestyle. Number 7. Increase your self-awareness. You can't live a healthy lifestyle without good mental health. That's why the healthiest people you'll meet have amazing self-awareness. They are conscious of who they are, they have emotional intelligence, and they can align their actions with the type of life they want to live. While this may seem like a lot to wish for, it can be achieved with a few simple hacks. Meditation is one of the most popular tools to help you feel more centered and self-aware. Even using a guided meditation app for 5 to 10 minutes a day can help you make amazing progress. If you are not a meditation fan, journaling can be another great tool to help you develop self-awareness. At the end of the day, just write down your thoughts and feelings for about 10 minutes. It may sound too simple, but writing is an amazing vehicle to reflect on yourself, your inner world, and your actions. Remember, mental health and self-development are an integral part of living a healthy life. Number 8. Find an exercise routine you enjoy. Exercise is one of the most important ingredients for a healthy lifestyle, but picking the wrong workout will make your life a living nightmare. You'll dread your training sessions, and it'll be so hard to be consistent with your routine. But the good news is that you don't have to settle for a workout you hate. There are so many options, and you can pick the one you really enjoy. In fact, the best workout for you is the one you love, because it'll brighten your life and it'll be easier to stick with. If you hate the gym, go for a run at the park. If you hate the outdoors, try swimming. If you hate exercising on your own, look for a fitness class in your area. With a little bit of research, you'll find plenty of options to make your fitness routine fun and enjoyable. Number 9. Eat nutrient-dense foods. We can't talk about living a healthy lifestyle without discussing nutrition. To be healthier from the inside out, you need to be putting good things into your body. That's why you should eat plenty of highly nutritious foods. Take a look at your diet and ask yourself if you are really eating the right kinds of foods. If you are like most people, there's probably some room for improvement. Reducing junk food is always a great idea, but don't deprive yourself of everything that you enjoy. A treat every now and then won't do any harm. But for most of your diet, make sure that you are eating plenty of nutrient-dense foods, like fruit, vegetables, and whole grains. Eating a nutritious and balanced diet is one of the most important hacks to help you achieve your health and fitness goals. If you want to learn about the best dietary changes to help you lead a healthy lifestyle, click here to watch this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more amazing content on health and fitness. See you in the next video.